Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 25 of the best crochet patterns that I have found for beginners. These are all free to use. They're either Instagram posts or YouTube tutorials, but I will link everything in the description below and also include photos right here so you know what I'm talking about. So let's get started. So for the first category, we have small plushies and things that can be made into key rings if that's what you're looking to make. These would be super great for markets as they're super quick to build up, and most of these would only take under a couple of hours to put together. There's 7 in this category. All my notes are on the computer if you see me looking backwards and forwards, that's why. So the first one we have is the bubble whale, which is an Instagram post that I found. It looks super cute, super easy to put together. The next one is a triceratops. This was one of the first plushies that I tried to make. In regards to the actual stitches, you will need to know a few different ones to put this together, but in terms of how easy it is to make, it is pretty simple. The third one we have is a worry worm. Now this is relatively straightforward, probably one of the easiest things I've ever seen, and definitely the easiest one on this list. The next one we have is something that is extremely popular. A lot of people make this and you can make it in a variety of sizes. It is a bee. This one in particular is a small version of it, so you can put it as a keyring or just as a little decoration. The next one is a reversible octopus. This was from a YouTube tutorial from Rose and Lily Crochet. I absolutely love their videos. I started making my stuff watching their videos, and I'll still stick and watch their stuff today. It's so informative, a super fun tutorial to watch. The next one we have is Flipsy the Frog. I haven't personally made this, but it does seem a relatively straightforward pattern when I was looking through it. You don't need to know too much in terms of different stitches, but it does look like a very cute pattern to put together. The next one is one of my favourites. It is a mini bear with overalls. I absolutely love when people make clothes for their teddies. I think it really adds to it, and this one is very small and very easy to put together if you are just starting out. The next category that I have is slightly larger plush, where you can't really put them as keyrings, but you can still price them reasonably and they don't take too long to make. So the first one we have is a chicken. I know the Mabel pattern is very popular, but that is paid for. This pattern is free and very simple to put together. I bought the Mabel pattern a couple of months ago and I was shocked at how easy it was to make. It's basically just a big circle and you tie the top together. That's pretty much it. The next pattern we have is turtles. These are very popular as well. You can do so many different designs with the shell. The basic pattern can be found in so many different places by so many different creators with their own little twist to it, but they are all free, or most of them tend to be free. A lot of creators also add their own little design on the shell as well, which are really easy to follow. The next up we have a penguin. This one I have actually made myself. I made this for my mom because she loves penguins. Again, was Rose and Lily Crochet. Their tutorials are just top tier. I love them. The next one we have is a no-sew giraffe. This looks so cute. It's just a mini giraffe. You don't have to sew. I know people don't like sewing. I don't like sewing. I can avoid it as much as possible. Well, I try to avoid it as much as possible because it scares me. I can never get it even. I can never get the arms or the legs even. It looks very, very bizarre sometimes. The next 2 that we have is a stegosaurus. This is more on the challenging side, but it is still beginner friendly. And the fruit modification for it, I absolutely love the fruit modification. I saw this earlier and I was like, I need to add this. I need to make this one day. It is so cute. The next one we have are axolotls. Now there are 2 types of axolotls in this video. There's one that's stood up, which is relatively small, and then there's one that's lying down. They're quite popular as well, I would say, for markets and stuff. I think a lot of people that don't crochet find these really appealing, and there's something they'd be gravitated towards if you are looking to sell them. The next one we have is a caterpillar. This is so cute. I love that you can add so many different colours to this and make it as long as you want. So cute. Would definitely recommend trying to make this. The next one we have is a bear pattern. There's quite a few bear patterns in this video, all with different levels of complexity and lengths, like how long they could take to make. This one is so cute. There's the bear itself, and then there's the pear modification for it. Super easy to follow. Definitely recommend this one as well if you're just starting out, because it's very basic stitches, just increase, decrease, stuff like that. The next one we have is also a four-legged cow. This is a YouTube tutorial by one of the creators I also follow on Instagram. Love their stuff so much. It's so cute. They also have a lot of other free tutorials that you can follow, but this one is my favourite out of all of them, and I think it is the most appealing because I think it's so cute. So that's all for that category that I have. The next category is things that tend to take a little bit longer. We've got like the full body kind of bear, cow, I don't know how to describe it, but this takes me about 4 hours to make. If you're just starting out, obviously it's going to take you a bit longer, so I'd say this is more on the tricky side lengthwise. If you're looking for something quick, obviously go for the ones I previously talked about, but if you're looking for something more of a challenge, this is what I would recommend. The first two are by the same creator. I have used both of these and I absolutely love them. I talked about them in my last video. So it is a cow and a bunny. They are both pretty much the same. The bunny just has longer ears and the head shape is slightly different, but in terms of putting it together, they're pretty much the same. Very straightforward, easy for beginners to get the hang of. Love it. The next one we have is Bo the Bear. Now all of these plushies are put together in a way where they're very similar. However, the actual making of them, the stitches are slightly different. So the legs with the cow and the bunny are a lot chunkier than the bear pattern, but in terms of actually stitching it together and the build-up of the pattern, they're very similar in that way. The next one we have is Avery the Bucket Hat Bear. I love this. I really want to make this. I haven't yet, but I love the hat aspect to it. And then the last two we have, this is another Rose and Lily crochet tutorial. It is an elephant. I think this is perfect for younger kids. Obviously, if you do use safety eyes, they need to be tested or they need to be sewn on. But yeah, this is adorable. I love it. And the last one I have is a cute bunny YouTube tutorial. And honestly, I think I've saved the best till last because this is one of my favourites as well. I love the look of these and they're so cute to make as a first time plushie. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So please like and comment if you would like to see more of these, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.